Modi-Trump summit strengthens Indo-US relations. In a landmark White House meeting, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and former US President Donald Trump reaffirmed their commitment to enhancing Indo-US relations across key sectors. The summit resulted in agreements on defense, trade, artificial intelligence, nuclear energy, and pharmaceuticals, shaping a new era of strategic cooperation. Strategic roadmap for future ties. A major highlight was the launch of the US India Compact initiative aimed at strengthening military cooperation, economic growth, energy security, technological innovation, global partnerships, and cultural exchange. Defense, strengthening military ties. Both nations unveiled a major defense partnership framework spanning the next decade. The US pledged support for India's military modernization, including the joint production of Javelin anti tank missiles and Stryker combat vehicles. Talks also began for 6 additional P-8I maritime patrol aircraft and a possible F-35 fighter jet deal. Technology, AI and space innovation. The US India Trust Initiative was launched to boost collaboration in AI, semiconductors, quantum computing, biotechnology, and space exploration. An AI development roadmap is set to be completed by year end. The Indus Innovation Bridge will drive research partnerships, strengthening technological leadership. Economic growth and trade expansion. The leaders introduced Mission 500, aiming to expand bilateral trade to 500 billion by 2030. Discussions on a bilateral trade agreement (BTA) are set to begin, with initial agreements expected by fall 2025. The US also plans to revise defense trade regulations, easing technology transfers. Counter-terrorism, joint security efforts. Trump approved the extradition of Thavar Rana, a key suspect in the 26 by 11 Mumbai attacks, and both leaders urged Pakistan to prosecute those responsible for 26 to 11 and Pathankot attacks. A stronger Indo-US partnership. The Modi-Trump summit laid the foundation for an enduring strategic alliance focusing on defense, economic growth, technological progress, and counter-terrorism, reshaping global power structures for years to come.